Hi, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your discussion boards. So if you go into Module 2, you will see that one of your first discussion boards, I want you to upload a video, the last video that you watched on YouTube. So what you're going to do, this is the instructions. You're going to reply. And right here, it says insert edit media. First, go get your video. So I'm going to go over to YouTube. Say this is the video that I want to share. I click share, copy the link, go back to the discussion board, hit the insert edit media. Right there, I'm going to paste it in and push OK. There's your video. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to watching what you upload. Thanks.